global markets. Here with the financial headlines, brought to you by Snap-Zed Universe.
Hello and welcome to today's financial reports.
Gold price forecasts though USD retreats from $1,960 amid sluggish markets. Gold price fades, weak start, recovery takes offers to refresh intraday low of late. Mixed sentiment allows so USD to pair recent gains as US Treasury bond yields US dollar pause previous day's fall. Risk catalysts, Fed bets eyed amid recent challenges for gold price upside. GBP USD Price Analysis, bears on the prowl at resistance. GBP USD bulls press up against key resistance. Bears lurking and I move into length. EUR USD cautiously cheers hawkish, ECB bias above 1.0700. German factory orders, EU retail sales eyed. EUR USD picks up bids to extend, weak start, rebound struggles to keep buyers hopeful of late. Recently weak risk catalysts weigh on euro pair, but downbeat US data defends buyers. Second-tier German European statistics eyed for clear directions as ECB hawks fail to impress EUR USD bulls. AUD USD portrays pre-RBA anxiety above 0.6600, ignores upbeat Aussie data. AUD USD pauses 3-day uptrend but lacks momentum ahead of RBA. Australia SQ1 current account balance came in better than forecast but fails to defend the Aussie bulls amid sluggish markets. Market sentiment dwindles amid light calendar, mixed feelings about Fed and RBA. RBA is likely to stand pat, positive surprise can't be ruled out amid recently firmer Aussie data.
Today's important news.
Today's markets outlet. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.